Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srileka. I make some video contents related to my exploration videos, the places I hang out, and recently I got fall in love in making beaded jewelries related to that content, and even some of those products I try on my skincare products too. And if you want, you can check out in my channel. I ordered some of the clay beads in Amazon. They received successfully. I have some plan to design them. I ordered very small quantity of beads. So I created only few designs. I'm going to show that in this video. The clay beads are like they are very lovely and they are very soft. Usually while you touching them you can feel the softness. So these are all the bracelets and neck pieces which I have designed by my own. So let's see this one by one in this video. This is the first design. I made a earring as a set. So this one looks very beautiful. I loved it. Then this color tricolor combination I tried with some of the golden beads to decorate them. I love them. Then this one is also looks very beautiful. Usually the light pink goes well for most of the dresses. Then a bracelet with green color, and then another bracelet with peacock green and light green. Then I have designed this lemon bracelet. So usually I just wanted to create that one size was something huge big for me. So this is like a trendy one. Usually most of them have this color. That's a trendy one actually. Most of them uses that. So this is like purple for purple lovers. Then this is my most favorite neck piece. This is the first one which I have tested of creating myself, whether I can create an neck piece using clay beads. That was the very first one I designed it. Then this one is also good. So these are all the things which I love making handmade jewelries. Are you like someone like me? Then hit a like button and click on to the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.